Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the object you want to recolor and confirming it has a mesh renderer and a mesh filter. These components expose material slots. Next, create a new material asset in the project window and give it a clear name so you don't confuse versions. Once created, switch its shader type if needed, standard for PBR workflows or unlit for flat color, because the shader determines how color and lighting interact with the surface. Now you'll set the color and appearance. In the Material Inspector, change the albedo base color by picking a color or assigning a texture map. That's the primary visual change. Then tweak metallic and smoothness to control reflectivity and enable transparency or alpha clipping if you need see-through areas. Once satisfied, drag the material onto the object in the scene or assign it to the mesh renderer's materials array. This binds the visual asset to the mesh, so you can preview it immediately. Finish by testing the color under your actual scene lighting and in play mode to confirm it reads correctly during runtime. Lighting and exposure affect perceived color. If it appears wrong, inspect UVs, texture import settings, and whether the chosen shader supports color or HDR. Make sure reflection probes and real-time global illumination are set up if you rely on environment lighting. One tip: if nothing updates, clear cached shader variants.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.